What's up, YouTube? It's your boy THC Rich, and we're back with part 4 of the Chill Out OG Grow. In this part, we're going to go ahead and transplant our plants from our solo cups into a 5-gallon pot. Now, usually I would wait a couple more days to let the root system get a little bigger, but I got a lot of stuff going on the next couple of days, so we're going to get to it a little early. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, so we got our plants out of our tent. Now we can go ahead and get them transplanted. Unfortunately, I only have room for one plant, so we're gonna pick the best looking one, which is this one. This will be our keeper. So this is gonna be the one we're keeping right here. Just looks a little healthier. This one looks like it's just struggling a little bit more. You see a little burnt tip on it. Unfortunately with this, I'm just gonna toss it. So set it off to the side. We don't need that no more. All right, so this is everything you're gonna need when you're transplanting. You're gonna need your soil. I'm gonna use a little Q-Yaha for a wetting agent, some root wise to get the microbial life going in there. You're gonna need a little spray bottle. You're gonna need a pot. I like the fabric pots personally, but use whatever you want. And some water to water everything in. So let's get started. That's taking too long. All right, make sure you break up these clumps. All right, you don't want to fill it all the way up yet because you still got to leave room to transplant. So my soil right now is only about right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and transplant, and then I'll go ahead and fill in the rest with soil. And since mine is coming out of a solo cup, I like to take a solo cup and make a spot for my transplant to fit smoothly in. All right, when you're taking it out of the solo cup, I just like to put my fingers around the base of it, flip it upside down, just kind of squeeze the cup around the edges. You'll feel it fall out. Boom, there we go. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of the pot with the soil. Careful, your plant is still delicate. They're still little. You don't want to drop soil right on top. Bend it over. Well, take your time when you get here. All right, there it is. Let me show you what it looks like now. All right, now I'm gonna mix up some water. Go ahead and water everything in, put some microbial life in there. And I'm not gonna top feed yet. I will in probably about a week or two, because this thing will probably veg for 2-3 weeks, and then I'm gonna flip it to flowers. So we're gonna try to get this thing going pretty fast. All right, this is probably about a half gallon of water. Don't be wasteful, y'all, but I'm not gonna use all this. Make sure you get all the way around the edges. All right, there it is, y'all. We got everything set up. Everything's transplanted, watered in. I'll see y'all back at part 5. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace.